is the World Series of Bird Nap with the following contestants: Kittles, Snowcaps, and Kitty, who is not playing for some reason at the moment. Can you get over here? Okay. The objective: catch the birdie. And Kittles they're going in. Snowcaps catches the first with 1 point, gaining the lead. If you let go, please, I would be most honored. Come on. Okay. Going in, second round. The other contestants back in the game. Snowcaps is the only one playing at the moment. Oh, with a leap but fail. Kittles is watching his opponent casually getting ready to leap at the prey. Ooh, Kittles attacks. Kittles goes back. Ooh, smacked out of the sky. Kittles and Snowcaps 1 point going in. Oh, the bird is dying. The bird is losing it. Kittles is not participating. What is wrong with Kittles? Kittles must be having a very tough time. Oh, caught! Have you ever wanted to be a ninja? Well, you can't. Tired of cleaning your floors with a stuffed dog? Hate having to catch crayons with your gloves? Well, your life must stink. If you feel stinky, use this man fume. Back in the game of Bird Nap with Kittles, Snowcaps, and Kitty. We started in. Oh, they're going in. Kitty attacks but fails. Go Snowcaps. Oh, Kittles catches it with the gaining points of 3-1 to nothing. Oh, it is an intense game. Oh, Kittles jumps. Ooh, napping it. Snatching it. Ooh. Oh. It is going in. He is going to score another touchdown. Kitty has no interest in this game at all. Kittles snatches. Snowcap snatches. She's caught the birdie.
What is that?
2-3. Snowcap has 2. Kittles has 3. Kitty's still losing with 0. He must be out of his mind. They are going in. Chi-Chi gets in the way. Interference. Snowcaps is the only one participating. They must be tired. Oh, but Kittles comes in. Ooh, but Snowcap catches it. 3-3 to 0. We're going in. Oh. Go. And Kittles catches it for the 4th shot. It looks like Kittles has won this match.